Hey guys, so I'm recording, I'm reviewing my, so I made it 5 plies. See that? Put some stickers and I put some countersink holder, old school grip. It's pretty strong, nice pop. With that, so thank you for watching. Hope you like it. Subscribe. Oh, I can wait. I'm putting some trucks. Wait. So I'm gonna put the trucks on. So I'll get back. So there it is. There's a truck. So let's try.